Concealer can make you look old, overly exposed, and cakey, or smooth and flawless. Let me show you the do's and don'ts. Going straight in with concealer, no primer, no moisturizer. Absolutely not. Doing this instantly accentuates all your fine lines, making you look older, and your makeup could grip to uneven areas, making it patchy. Instead, go in with a primer, moisturizer, or an eye cream to add hydration to the skin. That way your makeup applies smooth and even. Going all the way up to the eyeball with an overly bright concealer looks like you're trying to hide something and also just accentuates all your natural fine lines. Instead, go in with a neutral color slightly below under the fine lines. Gradually blend up with your fingers so it looks seamless. Just know that we all have fine lines and skin folds, and if makeup gets into them, you will have some sort of creasing. After you apply all your concealer, just go about your day if you don't want your makeup to stay. Instead, set your concealer with a setting powder. This is hydrating for all my dry skin girlies, and softly go over the concealer, filling in the fine lines and smoothing out the skin. After that, oh my god. Ow. After that, set with a setting spray. If you have mature skin or you just don't like powder, skip the setting powder and just use a setting spray. The makeup will not move.